So we are in the neighborhood of the quarter-acre lot on Northeast 65th Street. And we're going to turn the corner here to the near 112th Terrace and 65th. And it is coming up here on the left-hand side. Nice quarter-acre lot. There are already homes in the area, actually on this very street. This is a lot right here, very cheap lot you can pick up. And you'll notice on the other side here are some of the homes. This one right here coming up on the right hand side. This is the immediate neighborhood of this property. We got plenty other houses, vacant lots, so lots and lots of privacy in this area.